So today I'm going to give a tutorial on how to make a fidget spinner animation in Desmos. Now to start, what we're going to need is 4 circles, 1 in the middle and the 3 on the edges that form the spinner. So in order to draw these circles, we need to first look at the relation of a circle. In general, the relation for a circle is the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where h and k is the center of the circle and r is the radius. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make the circle have a radius of 4. So we're going to have a center circle of x squared plus y squared is 16. So now we add the first circle component on the outside. So we're going to add one to the right of our center circle. This outside circle is going to have a center of 8 and also a radius of 4. So it has the equation x minus 8 squared plus y squared is equal to 4 squared. Next, we want the outside circle to spin around the main circle. So to do this, we use the fact that if you have a point on the x-axis, say x0, then by rotating it counterclockwise by an angle of a, the point now lies at x cos a, x sine a. And so using this fact, we can modify the equation so that the center now depends on this variable a. And for now, we're just going to give a some random value. So you can see that as I drag the slider, changing the value of a, the circle is now at a different location. We do this for the remaining 2 circles, having each one rotated 120 degrees, or 2 pi over 3 radians from the others. And now you can see that we are done. The last thing that we want to do is to have it be able to spin on its own. So to do that, first we're going to set the range for the variable a. We're going to have it be starting from 0 up to 2 pi, which is 1 full rotation. We want to set the animation mode to be continuous, and we can change the speed to however fast we like. Lastly, if you want to customize it, there are various settings you can change, such as the color and the line type. So here, we're going to change it to a basic RGB spinner.